Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name's Amanda, and make sure you subscribe before you leave to stay updated with future content. Why do I have my hands up like this? I'm not sure. Today's video is going to be the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty products that I really am interested in buying. Some of them are products I've already used, some of them are new for me. Yeah, let's dive in. Let me know what products you're interested in buying that have your eye. If you already use some of these products, the pros and the cons, sharing is caring. I love learning about what everyone else uses. So the first product is, okay, so they had so many primers. So it was really hard to choose which primer I wanted to go with. They all did different things. So I'm going with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It's definitely the most viscous one out of all of them. A lot of them are kind of more semi-solid, but this one's more liquidy in my opinion. And I used it in combination with my foundation and I really loved how it performed. I thought the primer and the foundation really complemented each other. I'm not saying that my other primers don't complement what foundations will. No shade against the other primers. I really love them. I love Smashbox, love Benefit. I think Tarte had a primer that was a hot buy. It was really hard to choose which primer. Let me know which primer you got during the sale. I'm curious to know how all the different primers work for you guys, because I know something that works for me might not necessarily work for you and vice versa. The next product is the Stila Smudge Stick. I love these eyeliners because they really don't smudge, which is really nice because a lot of eyeliners do crease on your under eye, so you'll have to carry Q-tips with you throughout the day. I don't see that with the Stila eyeliners much, and it's a retractable so you don't have to carry a sharpener, which is also very convenient for travel. I know I lose my sharpeners all the time. Moving on to the Benefit Hula Bronzer. I love this bronzer. I just really like this bronzer because it's really easy to work with. Like, I haven't used a bronzer that was this easy to use with. I thought it was just very effortlessly blended in. It doesn't look like you have mud on your face or anything. Like, it just looks sculpted. I love that bronzer, and they have two options. You can get the normal hula or the light hula. I have not used the light hula. Is it buildable? Let me know. The next product is the Tarte Matte Lip Paints. Liquid lipsticks are really hard for me to find a good one that I like because a lot of liquid lip formulas do dry out my lips, but I don't find this with the case for these Tarte lip paints. They also come in so many pretty different shades. Like, I have some neutral pinks, which I have on my lips right now. I have reds, I have dark plums. The next product are the, okay, so I'm not sure which Ofra highlighters are on sale. It says select Ofra highlighters, but any Ofra highlighter you end up buying are amazing. I am obsessed with Ofra highlighters, like Rodeo, Blissful, and then like the new ones that Nikki Tutorials collabed with for like Space Baby and Cloud9. They are all just so pretty and they last a long time. And you just need a little bit of product on your breath. You are beaming once you walk out that door. I'm a huge fan. I can't get enough. Let me know if your store carries Ofra in store because I've only been able to see it online. I have two skin products that I have on my list, and the first one is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor. I love this mask so much. If you need a firming mask because your pores are giving you issues, try this mask. I have tried so many face masks out there and this one really does help your pores, at least for me. Like, when I'm having like a bad whitehead or blackhead days, I go straight to this one. It doesn't dry out your skin. I think this mask is already fairly priced, so to see it on sale is a really good deal. The next product is the Boxum lip pencils. Lip liners are still fairly new to me. I've recently purchased a few lip liners by NYX, but I would like to get some of the Boxum ones because they are a little bit bigger. I feel like that might be easier to maneuver to apply on your lips. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm still fairly new, so let me know which lip liners you like, any tips and tricks with them, because I just normally just slap on some lipstick and call it a day, but I can see how lip liners could be helpful just to shape out your lip before filling it in. The next product is the Lancome Mascara Primers. I totally forgot about this product. It is one of my favorite products of all time. I haven't used it in years. I am probably gonna purchase this 100% without hesitation because I have small lashes. I don't like to wear falsies. Anything to help out my lashes really does help. I've really seen a difference with like the length and the volume and how full my lashes look using this primer. The next product is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipsticks. I have not tried Dose liquid lipsticks at all, so I can't can't say if they're good, if they're bad. Their shades are pretty that I've seen online. I have used their solid lipsticks and I really liked how those perform, so I'd love to see how these liquid lipsticks are. Last 21 Days of Beauty, this was one of the deals as well, but I think some of the deals start at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and by the time I woke up at like 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they were already all sold out. I was actually really bummed. So I'm hoping this time I will be up so I can get one of these, at least one. I just want one shade. If that's all I can get, I will take it. Seeing this brand in Ulta has been really awesome because it's an indie brand and I've been wanting to try it for a while. The next product is the Cover FX setting powder. I love the setting powder, and I actually tried this product during the last 21 Days of Beauty. With setting powders, it's really hard to find a good one because you don't want flashback. Flashback is when you set your eyes with the setting powder, you take a picture and your under eyes are beaming back. It's like getting that red eye effect when you take photos, and it's so annoying. Like, you don't want that. It's not cute. It's just not a good look. But with Cover FX setting powder, I have not seen this issue at all, and it really helps set your under eyes that it won't crease. That concealer is not moving, it's not creasing, and when you do eyeliner underneath, it ain't budging either. So I really love this product so much. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. The next product is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I love this mascara. I've been using it for years. I would also probably get the MAC mascara that's also offered during the sale. So let me know which mascara you are trying to decide between because I'm in the same boat. The next product is the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil. There are 3 eyebrow pencils offered during the sale, and it was really hard to choose one. All of the shapes of the eyebrow pencils look very similar. I actually might try the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones instead because that's the only one I haven't used in this list. So let me know which one you use and why, and some pros and cons with it because I've been using Goof Proof for a while. I am curious to see how Anastasia compares to both Benefit and it. The next product is the Laura Geller Filter First Foundation. I love Laura Geller and I love her her powder foundation, so I wanted to see what this one was like. I haven't used any of her liquid foundations. The next product is the second skincare product. It's the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. I probably won't buy it during the sale because I have one already that I got a while back and I still have a decent amount of, but this cleanser is so gentle on your face and it does a really good job getting like the dirt, the makeup, all that stuff at the end of the day off your face. I love First Aid Beauty. I know they have a couple makeup products, I just haven't tried them yet, but definitely the cleanser is a really good cleanser. To me, it's already pretty affordable for 20 bucks compared to like some other facial cleansers. For it to be $10, I think that's pretty comparable to like a drugstore facial cleanser. If you want to try a more prestige brand, definitely give this one a shot. And then the last product is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. If you haven't tried this product yet, you are seriously missing out. It is a game changer, and seriously, your makeup will not move after you apply this. I could bathe in it if I could. It is like a staple in a lot of people's makeup collections and everyday routines, and I know I go through these bottles so fast, so to see it on a sale during 21 Days of Beauty is just so awesome. I will definitely be purchasing a bottle or 2. You should definitely try it. So these were my picks for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Let me know if we had similar products. Let me know if we had different products. Let me know if you have any recommendations because I am curious. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the follow-up video, what I purchased. See you in the next video. Waving hands.